Hi everyone, welcome to Java Express Academy. From Java 16 onwards, we have two new stream methods are introduced as part of the collections. Okay, lot of people may not be aware. Have a look, guys. If you wanted to terminate a stream into a list, right now everyone doing, okay, this is the approach, guys. If we are using a string array list, this is a stream of elements and we are collecting collectors dot to list, collectors dot to set, collectors dot to map. See here, this is for the map here. Okay, linked list dot no. Okay, from 16 onwards, another method, even collect, we can avoid completely. Directly on the stream I can write to list, guys. It is also generate unmodifiable list here. Have a look here how I will do this operation. And we have another method called map multi. It is alternative for the flat map. To get list of objects we can use for the flat map. Okay, let me demonstrate you for the tool list. Definitely it will be useful as part of our development. Okay, let me create a fresh project. Let me copy the previous project at 21. So here what we can say, collections tool list I'm making like this, guys. Java 16. Now I am creating, let me remove this is completely. It's a very simple example. I don't want to waste your time. It's a very, I will show you as a list demo. Okay. Assume that we have some couple of elements. How to add elements to the list? We have one of the operator we have like inside a list we have some elements of method. Okay. In this of method, maximum 10 elements we can add. Okay. Let me add some elements like a 2 comma 4 comma 5 6 7 8 something. Just I have some elements. This is called integers list elements. Okay, now inside the list, how I will do list dot stream. I want to do some filter condition. Suppose number, if it is a n modulo 2 double equals to 0, I want to collect into a another list. Okay, this is the approach till now we are writing. Okay, in Java 8, guys, this is the approach how this is called old style. Okay, the same thing I can use. Okay, list dot stream dot filter number. Okay, n n modulo 2 double equals to 0. Directly you can write as a to list. That's it. You no need to do collect collectors, no need to set. I think, I don't think so. There is only two list we have, guys. If you have dot, okay, as of now I don't. If you are using set interface, you will get at the set to set as well. Okay, now let me make as a to list here. Now let me get the value list 2. This is called new style here. Okay, let me print the data system.out.println new style of approach. Right click, run as Java application 2468. If can we add a new element, have it try list dot, I want to add some number 10. I want to trying to add this number. Now right click, Java application. See, it is a immutable. By default it is a immutable. Here it is clearly saying immutable collections. They have unsupported operation exception. That's why here I say it is also generates a unmodifiable list. Another way how we are doing collectors dot to unmodifiable list. Here collectors dot to collection, this is way of creating new linked list. This is another approach, but this is a shorthand form. Whenever you are using the list, okay, directly you can use this approach here. That's it. Stream multi-map, I can say, instead of using flat map is the best option. Okay, map multi is not required, so that's why tool list I shown you this example to you guys. Okay, thank you guys.